This calculator solves the famous barn-pole paradox in special relativity, helping engineers understand how length contraction and simultaneity work at relativistic speeds. When designing high-speed systems or analyzing particle accelerator scenarios, you need to know how objects appear contracted and how events that seem simultaneous in one reference frame aren't simultaneous in another. The calculator offers 5 calculation modes. You can select complete analysis for all quantities, find required velocity for fit, find maximum pole length for fit, find minimum barn length for fit, or simultaneity analysis only. For this demonstration, I'll use complete analysis mode. There are 4 input fields. Proper pole length L0 is the pole's length when at rest. Proper barn length B0 is the barn's stationary length. Pole velocity V is the speed of the pole relative to the barn. Event position lets you analyze simultaneity at specific locations along the barn. Let's work through an example. I'll enter a proper pole length of 20 meters, representing a long structural beam. The proper barn length is 15 meters, shorter than our pole. For pole velocity, I'll input 0.8 c, which is 80% of light speed. For event position, I'll enter 7.5 meters, the barn's midpoint. The calculator will show the contracted pole length in the barn's frame, the contracted barn length in the pole's frame, and the simultaneity offset between reference frames. These outputs reveal that both observers are correct about whether the pole fits, just at different moments in their respective time frames. The key insight is that simultaneity is relative. Events that appear simultaneous in one frame happen at different times in another frame. Find the link in the description below.